Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday. I don't know. What this happened every day. I have to tell you what day it is. So, how are you all doing? How's your week going so far? We're almost finishing quarter one. We're almost done with quarter one. How was your quarter one for your business? How was your quarter one for your nonprofit? Let me know if you guys already done your taxes or not. If you haven't done your taxes yet, you know where to go. Go to my website, book your call, and I'm looking forward to see you. So, today we will be talking about something really important for anyone who have a foreign bank account. What is foreign bank account? Foreign bank account is bank account, and well, I'll say this later. Bank account outside of the US, not in the US. Whether you live outside of the country or in the US, but you have a bank account or any financial account, doesn't have to be bank account. It might be any other financial account. If you have that, you might, not necessarily, you might have FBAR filing requirements. What is FBAR? FBAR is foreign bank account reporting. Now, a lot of people confuse this with, they think they have to file this for the IRS, while in fact, FBAR need to be filed with the Treasury Department. So it's just an information report saying to the Treasury Department, hey, Treasury Department, we have a foreign account in this country, in this bank, and this is how much we had in it at this time of the year. That's it. Basically, that's it. When is it due? It is due with your tax return. Now, you're not filing it with your tax return, but it is due April 15 every year. For this year, we are in 2023. For this year, it's April 18. So if you actually did not file it, it should be okay at that time, because until now, the Treasury Department gives you 6-month automatic extension. You don't need to do anything as long as you file it by October 15 of each year, it should be fine, even if you did not file an extension for your tax return. But you want to make sure to tell your tax professional that you need to tell them actually you have a foreign bank account, so they can attach Schedule B with your personal return. This is important, and you cannot hide it from the Treasury Department. They know, because foreign bank are required to actually let the Treasury Department know about that. It is a requirement. So they do send a report for Treasury Department. So you don't have to tell them, they tell them. And then if you did not tell them as well, you're going to be in trouble, and real trouble. So it's not a joke, guys. So let me read you. So I have my book, actually not on my book, the book I participated in with other great tax professionals. This is the book, and you can order this book actually from my website. You can go to my website. I'm going to put my website here. My chapter was about estimated taxes and FBAR. So I talk about FBAR. This is me. Where is it? Okay, this is me. Anyway, so I explain FBAR in this book. So let me tell you, at the time that we got this book, The penalty was for the people who has an FBAR requirement, but yet they don't not file. How much do you think? Before you continue the video, if you're watching in the replay, let me know. Like, I see people watching. Do you guys know how much would it be as a penalty for FBAR requirements if you did not file FBAR and you didn't know this was required? It is 12,459. Again, it's $12,459. That's how much you have to pay as a penalty if you have FBAR requirements, but yet you did not file and you didn't know that something exists. So they don't joke with this. You need to do it. So the penalty for not filing, if you know, it's much higher, and it can be imprisonment. So you want to make sure, don't go there. It's not a joke. You need to report this, and you need to do it every year. And if you have been not doing this, and you know you have a requirement to do that for the previous years, then you guys need to correct that. And you can correct. You have to file back FBARs. And if you correct this voluntarily, it's much better for you, because if they come after you, then you are in trouble. I'm going to be paying so much money if did not go to prison. So you want to make sure you do it. So here I also mentioned in the book, like, what if you willfully did not do it? You know there was a FAR requirement and you did not do it. It's going to be $100,000 or 50% of your balance. They beg you. So whatever is greater. So if you have, for example, $1 million in that bank account, then you will pay $500,000 to the Treasury Department, the penalty. So I would just willfully do it, right? So guys, try to avoid that. It's really serious. It's not a joke. It's not something to put your head on the sand and just avoid it. Make sure you do your FBAR requirements. Again, this is not happening with your tax filing. It does have its different filing requirement, different filing channels, and it goes to the Treasury Department. You can file it online. You can do it on your own if you're comfortable with that, or you can hire someone to do it. We help people file for FBAR all the time at Nora's Books. So if you need to do that, feel free to book a call and we'll be happy to work with you on filing your FBAR. So it doesn't take a long time, but you really have to have your bank statements, your retirement statements, whatever your investment statement, whatever you have in a foreign bank account or foreign financial institution account, you need to have that reported. Like I said, they're not waiting for you to tell them. They know already, but you have to voluntarily tell them. So make sure you don't miss this. Make sure you keep this in mind. If you know someone who has a foreign bank account and they are not filing for FBAR, make sure to tell them this information, because if they don't know, they will still be penalized. And you know, a lot of people, if they know, they would do it. So make sure to share this video with people who might be benefit from this. And if you're on Facebook, like our business page, Nora's Books. And if you are in any other social media, make sure you follow me and subscribe to YouTube. Other thing I want to tell you, just go order your book. This book is great. Like all these great tax professionals with Dr. Kozak White, we came together. Actually, Dr. Kozak did the collaboration and, did this or organized this. And we came together and each one of us wrote a chapter in this book. And you can purchase this book actually on my website again, noorasbooks.com. You can go to Book by Noora and purchase the book. If you have any question, if you need to file FBAR, if you need to file your taxes for business, personal, or nonprofit, you know where to go. Go to noorasbooks.com and book your call, and I'll be happy to help you. All right, I have to get back to taxes and helping my clients as we are approaching deadline. We still have time, still have 18 days, but these guys, do not wait until last minute, running out of time. If you are not ready to file your taxes yet, make sure you file an extension. And if you need to do that, we do help people file an extension. And have a great day. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, you're going to get sick of me, actually. I'm going to be with two guests in two different times. I'll be with Brittany C., my partner. We will be actually at 11 p.m. Central. We're going to be talking more and giving you more details about our VIB event. There's already a Facebook page for that. So you can go ahead and go. And actually, you can check all the events on Noura's Books under upcoming event tab. So you can go to noorasbooks.com and see upcoming event tab, and you can see the events. But we're going to be talking tomorrow about the VIB days for nonprofits, and it's going to be awesome. And I have another guest speaker. I already started that. You can see we're going to be tomorrow. I forgot what time, but it's already there, so you can see it. Make sure to join us whatever platform you are at, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.